For sale by Druk Auto in Ramsey, Minnesota, this very popular 2006 Toyota Tundra limited four-wheel drive. This truck is powered with a 4.7-liter V8 engine and automatic transmission. See all the pictures on our website, drukautosales.com. We do have financing available and can help arrange transportation if needed.
All right, today we got an 06 Toyota Tundra, limited pickup. Well loaded, 99,000 miles, runs and drives great. Like I said, well loaded. Heated seats, passenger and driver. Air conditionings, very cool. Great radio. Got the power sunroof. And it goes back and forth all the way. Got power windows, seats, mirrors, all that stuff. Back tilt, everything on it. It's working. Very nice truck. You can see the tires are excellent on it. 07 V8.